June 9th at approximately 1:10 p.m. Entering in through the cleanout in the front of the house. And we are going in. As you can see, the cast iron looks pretty rough as we're going in. If you look right there, as I'm just entering in, you can see the crack in the system, in the pipe, right there as I'm going up into the pipe. The whole thing is cracked. It looks like there's a chunk or a piece missing right there as we go in, and the cast iron is quite old and degenerating. There's a little bit of standing water right there. There's another big break right there in the pipe where there appears to be some seepage, and a piece of the cast is laying there on the side. If you look on the bottom there, you can see it as well. As I continue to move forward, we see some more cockroaches running in and out. Of course, you see a little water right there. There is something like toilet paper of some object inside. Let's see if I can just get to the other side of that without blocking up the lens. It is toilet paper. I'm just trying to get in and get past it right now, or push it all the way up. Okay, right here is a Y, and I would have to assume that this Y is what goes over to the kitchen line. And then it goes up right here where the toilet paper is lodged. And now I will back out and see, it appears that they had tied in that Y right there. And it also appears that there's another fitting right here which could be the connection for the tub. So I'm going to back out, and you see the standing water right there on the bottom of the sewer pipe. So I'm going to pull back, and you can see that standing water all right there, and how rough the inside of that cast iron is all the way through. Backing out. And how it's all cracked right through there as I showed you as I went in. And I'm coming back, and you can see how busted it is right there. All the way coming back, going underneath the house up to this point. At this time, I'm going to turn the camera going into the opposite direction and go back towards the street. And see what we're looking like on that side as well. As you can see, just entering the cast iron, just past the clean out. The cast is pretty well rotted and appears to be broke up pretty good. I do not see, there's a break right there where you just seen the cockroach run into the pipe, where it's all cracked right there. And you can see it's cracked all over there in the pipe as well. As I'm going through the cast iron, you can see how deteriorated it is and in need of replacement. There is standing water in the bottom of the pipe. As I move along, heading towards the street. It looks like there are roots right there that have entered into the pipe as we continue to go down, and what appears to be the city tap right here. Going down into the tap and into the main city sewer. I will back out. And this is where the cast iron continues and the roots. As I continue to back out, coming away from the street now. As you can see, the cast is cracked up there on top and in very bad shape. All cracked up right there. As you look at this part, you can see it all cracked, and cockroaches coming in and out of that crack of the pipe. This time I'm exiting the cleanout and back outside.